Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be explaining an important article on maximal flow called A New Approach to the Maximum Flow Problem by Andrew Goldberg and Robert Tarjan. First, let's talk quickly about what maximal flow is. In network theory, a maximum flow problem involves finding the greatest amount of flow possible from a source node to a sink node without exceeding the capacities of the network's edges. Traditional algorithms like the Ford-Fulkerson method solve this by repeatedly finding paths where we can push more flow, but as networks get bigger and denser, these older methods become pretty slow and inefficient. This is where Goldberg and Tarjan's work from 1988 come in. Instead of using traditional argumenting paths, they introduced a new method called the push relabel algorithm. Here's the basic idea. Rather than sending the flow all the way from the source to the sink immediately, the push relabel method starts by creating what's called a preflow, meaning some nodes may temporarily receive more flow than they send out. Nodes are assigned a label or height, and flow is allowed to move or push from higher labeled nodes to lower ones, which is like water flowing downhill. When the node can't push any more flow because all its neighbors are the same or higher height, it relabels itself, increasing its height so that eventually the flow can continue moving towards the sink. The beauty of the method is that it doesn't waste time searching the entire path in one go. Instead, it focuses locally, adjusting small parts of the network, which makes it extremely fast, especially for networks with a lot of edges. In terms of results, Goldberg and Tarjan prove that this method has strong theoretical performance and is often faster in practice than older methods, particularly in dense graphs. Since it was published, the push-related method has become a foundation for many modern improvements in network flow algorithms. In conclusion, a new approach to the maximum flow problem introduced an initiative way of thinking about flow problems by focusing on local adjustments instead of global paths. Goldberg and Tarjan's work not only made solving large, complicated flow problems faster, but also inspired a lot of future research in optimization in computer science. Thank you for listening, and I highly encourage you to check out that article.